This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Seeberg. Stop here. Lovely first floor February 2nd end unit in Grovile. Sought after floor plan with enclosed sunroom, ample closet space, new vinyl plank flooring and new carpet, bedrooms. Eat-in kitchen and fresh paint too. Close proximity to main clubhouse and pool. Carport included. Active 55+ community offers 2 clubhouses, pools, tennis, boat ramp, kayak storage and many social activities. What a find! For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Seeberg at 772-774-4416.